Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup and organize receipts with Shoeboxed workflows step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Shoeboxed app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account using your email address. Log into your account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the camera icon to scan your receipts. Position your receipt within the frame and take a photo. Ensure good lighting for a clear image. After capturing the receipt, choose Save to upload it to your account. Next, navigate to the Receipts tab to view your uploaded receipts. Organize your receipts by creating categories. Hit the Settings icon, then select Categories to add new ones. Assign each receipt to the appropriate category by tapping on it. Use the search function to quickly find specific receipts. Next, set up automated workflows for regular receipt uploads. Go to Workflows in the Settings menu. Choose Create a new workflow and select your desired frequency. Specify which categories to include in the workflow. Save your workflow settings for automatic updates. Review your receipts regularly for accuracy and completeness. Use the Reports section to track your spending and expenses. Finally, consider exporting your organized receipts as PDFs for your records. This systematically ensures your receipts are backed up and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.